your first $500 or more with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok as your traffic source. Basically running TikTok ads. Now in this video I'm going to show exactly behind the scenes super affiliate strategy that we are using to generate thousands of dollars per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now stay tuned because I'm going to show you how it works. Let me show you over here. You can see in 7 days I had 221,000 video views. Now keep in mind, this is faceless TikTok channel, right? So it's safe to say that if you have human beings, just like you and me watching this video right now, right? You're interested in different, not only products, but different topics, right? So it's safe to say that females who are into yoga, weight loss, keto diet, they're also interested in making money in dating and relationships, right? So there is many different products that you can promote online. Don't have to stick to only one. Personal love, manifestation, info products, also Nutra, weight loss. The reason why is because people in self-help, personal growth, personal development niche are junkie buyers. Basically, they're buying those products every single day. Now, in 2025, the most important thing is engagement. Now, I'm not talking about any kind of viral engagement. I'm talking about engagement on the problem-aware audiences. You see, our job as an affiliate is not to sell products. Our job is to get people into the problem state so they know, aha, I have a problem. Now, what is the next step? The next step, my friend, is to move them into the solution-aware state. How to do this? With my clients, with my coaching clients, how we do it together over the Zoom call is we craft the ad. So I will do ads for them, right? Ad copywriting, A-list copywriters, put together the ad copy, UGC videos for TikTok. Not any kind of viral videos. Viral doesn't matter. Because sometimes viral mean a lot of clicks. Like many gurus on ClickBank are teaching you to make clickbaity videos. Yes, you can get a lot of clicks. It's going to waste a lot of your time and money. And at the end, no sales and no conversions. And then you wonder, what the heck? What is happening? Is it a scam? Why it doesn't work? Yeah, the reason why is, and again, it's not your fault, because you didn't have the proper guidance, proper coach or mentor who could mentor you through and show you those avoidable mistakes that you can make along the way very quickly if you don't have someone who can guide you one-on-one, step by step. Now, why this is important? You see, 23,000 likes in 1 week, 3,000 profile views. Because if you're promoting, let's say, acne cream or let's say manifestation product and people are engaging, they are commenting, you can stop running ads for 10 days or 20 days or 30 days, zero money on ads. And you can still make sales. Posting your affiliate quiz funnel or something like affiliate link in the bio or in the comments with your affiliate website and still get sales. Because people are engaging. You can see over here, look, it's a proof. Okay? That's just one of the proofs in 7 days. 214 shares. So referrals for free. 23,000 likes and 1,600 comments. Do you believe that from these positive comments, you can get at least 1 or 5 sales every single day for free? Organic traffic, right? That is why it's very powerful in 2025 to take action now, right? Now later you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, or my Facebook, my WhatsApp mostly. Now the reason I'm sharing this with you is not to brag, but to show you, look, over 60 countries visit with affiliate marketing. Once you make money online, spending 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can have these kind of results as well, right? If you want to achieve more. And I know you do, right? So as you can see over here, right, all this is possible if you take proper action. If you have someone who can help you, if you invest a little bit of money in yourself to start having sustainable passive income online. Now let me show you how this works in practice. Comment section is gold mine in 2025. As I told you before, you can see. Now if you have 20 to 30 minutes a day, you don't need to make videos every single day. It's all done for you. Those videos, ad copies are done for you, and also automation tools. You can see the comments. How to find these products. I'm in Paris, France. I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. 1,000 likes. It tells you that there is buyer's intent. Marketing is nothing else than understanding to have the right message to the market match. Most of you, now if you're watching this video, maybe you bought any course in the past and you have lost money. I understand you. I know how it feels because I've been in the same situation just like you a few years ago. But I did not quit or gave up. I find another mentor to help me, and then I realized, heck, the mistake that I was making, right, was that I did not understand what affiliate marketing is, right? It's about deeper psychology. It's not about buy my shit right now and putting some, some ads and creating a mismatch, right? Because you can easily create a mismatch with your audience, with your targeted audience, if you don't know who is your audience on a deeper level, right? So you can see those are buyers' intent. No need any persuasion, no nothing, no tricks. You see, people are asking where to buy. And imagine you just post your ClickBank affiliate website there, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and you have $300 or $600 in your bank account cash, right? So you can see how quickly you can make money. If you have, let's say, upsells or recurring commissions, one sale for $500 per week. Per week, one sale, $2,000 per month. If you have 5 sales per week, you're making $10,000 net profit per month, right? So you see how fast we can do it together, as you can see over here over the Zoom call, right? Now all these results, as you can see traveling, is possible once you take it seriously, right? Because if you already knew how to make money online, you wouldn't be watching YouTube videos, but you don't. And the reason you don't know is because you have tried all these courses in the past, you have tried to figure it out for free on your own, and then you realize you waste more money, more time, trying something without knowing proper steps, right? That's like trying to solve cancer of your own, on your own, without going to the proper physician, doctor, to help you with it, right? Or trying to do a law by yourself without hiring someone else, or anything else, right? It makes sense, right? So same thing is here. You need someone who can help you one-on-one. If you're watching course for $3,000, $4,000, maybe you have paid 4K, 5K for course in the past, and you didn't have proper guidance. It was outdated. It used to work a few years ago, right? But as you know, algorithms, social media platforms are changing every single month. So you need to stay up to date. And the only way with your job, maybe you're working 9 to 5, nothing wrong with that. If you want to spend 30 minutes per day to make $500 per day extra, yes, it's possible, but you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand-holding you along the way, right? So you can start generating this affiliate marketing income online. Now, what you need, you see, this can 100% guarantee you, it can work for you if you have laptop, connection with Wi-Fi, and 30 to 20 minutes per day. And of course, if you can follow simple steps that are laid out for you. So the best part is that you don't have to show your face on camera. This is not network marketing. This is not MLM. You don't have to pitch your friends and family. There is no inventory. Okay, so you don't have to buy any products. You don't have to create any content by yourself at all. We do it together as we go. Okay? And again, you don't have to have any technical skills because marketing is not about computer or IT skills. Okay? It's a big mistake people make. They think marketing is about IT. No. Marketing is about psychology and emotional states of your audience, understanding on a deeper game level. Okay? There is much more than a headline and ad copy to the affiliate marketing game. Now, if you want to get results, you can connect with me on there is my Instagram, Facebook, email, my WhatsApp number. Yes. Ask yourself, when was the last time, or have you ever received from any guru online on YouTube their personal phone number? Usually you will get AI robots, AI bots answering crappy emails, right? In 2025, if you want to succeed, you need a personal relationship with someone. Connection, right? Makes sense. So, I will leave you with this last thought from Richard Branson. Okay? He said, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure, can you do it? Say yes first and then learn how to do it later. And more importantly, you don't have to learn everything once you have someone who can help you and finally get you up and running so you can fast forward results, right? Because there are people making money online. You know that, I know that. So we both know. There are people making $500,000 per month, $10,000 per month, $50,000 per month, right? Why not you? Okay? If I can do it, if they can do it, then you can do it. With the proper guidance, everything is possible. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.